great. Really worked on kind of leading the cube on some, we got some connections. Remember this? Remember you guys? Remember this? We did this, then we found, remember? You had to be there, but you remember? We found our little limit. That was really good that we connected with
It
our
looks really
partners.
culty, but I promise it wasn't.
Yes, and everyone obeys. And so over here we had to just like feel it that. We found it with one hand. At the end of a swing, I will find that feeling. So I'll keep going, I keep going. Got that stretchy feeling, and then we take that rock step. You got plenty of feeling, so the rock step, you don't have to do a big yank. You just take a step. Followers, you don't have to yank or rush either. You just keep cruising. It's about we just taking that step, and followers continue. Can we show how they continued on the thing where it's really catchable? So they face it. So important to face your partner. It's tempting to come this and go this way. This is a weird, awkward catch we don't want to do. So remember that, followers. Face your leaders. It makes a big difference. Your leaders, when you do catch them, no, please. That's not helpful. You sort of not convince them anywhere. So once we get here, on the first one, everyone's rocking it. We send our partners. When you catch your leaders, you got to be quite sturdy. Turn around and settle with your body one more time. You got to go on really well at the end. Everybody do perfect swing outs all the time. Yay!